For lunch, I've got a Cornish pasty that I'm going to bake in the coals. It's a handheld version of a meat pie from the southwest of England. Now we got to set the rivets. This is the sketchiest part. These are just 1/4-inch steel rods, and they stick out just a little bit further than the wood. And when you smash them with a hammer, they'll mushroom on the end, and that'll squeeze the wood to the handle and make everything set. But if you smash the wood instead of the metal, you'll split the wood. There we go. Oh. Now we sand. Looking pretty good. Did reasonably well. No, I baked pretty well, except I missed a spot. Cornish pasties were a traditional meal for the Cornish miners.